I am. You are. He is. She is. It is. We are. You are. They are. I am. You are. He is. She is. It is. We are. You are. They are. I'm happy. I am happy. You are very tall. You are very tall. I am happy. You are very tall. I am happy. You are very tall. She is strong. She is strong. They are sad. They are sad. She is strong. They are sad. To make questions, you need a verb, a subject, and an object. For example, are you happy? Are you happy? In this example, are is a verb, you is a subject, and is an object. How do you answer? Yes, I am. No, I am not. One more time. Are you happy? Yes, I am. No, I'm not. Here are more examples. Am I happy? Am I happy? Yes, you are. Yes, you are. No, you are not. No, you are not. Are you sad? Are you sad? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. No, I am not. No, I am not. Is he tall? Is he tall? Yes, he is. Yes, he is. No, he is not. No, he is not. Are they strong? Are they strong? Yes, they are. Yes, they are. No, they are not. No, they are not. Are we intelligent? Are we intelligent? Yes, we are. Yes, we are. No, we are not. No, we are not. I am becomes am. You are becomes you are. You are. He is becomes he's. He's. She is becomes she's. She's. It is becomes it's. It's. We are becomes we are. We are. You are. You are becomes you are. You are. They are becomes they are. They are. They are. Note: do not forget to put a question mark before every question. And do not forget to put a comma before yes or no when answering questions. How many did you get right? If you got all right, congratulations to you. Thanks for watching.